What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get Instagram traffic to multiple offers. That's right, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more, and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so the method that I'm going to share you is really simple. I stumbled upon it accidentally by looking at someone's profile. And the cool thing is that you can actually drive traffic to more than offers. Okay, you can drive traffic wherever you want, to your website, to your YouTube channel, your YouTube videos. I'm actually sending traffic to my YouTube videos with this method. So the thing is that with Instagram you're actually allowed to have only one link at the bio there. Okay, and that's where I started and had a look at this. You're going to see the solution. Some of you might know it already, but if you're new, this is a perfect way to drive traffic actually to multiple offers or to your website, and of course a combination of both or something like that. You will see exactly what I'm talking about here. So with that being said, let's dive into and see how this works. Totally free, by the way, to do it also, so you don't have to fork out your credit card today here, unless you want to go for a pro version. But we'll have a look at it, as I said, so let's get started. Okay, so this is my Instagram profile. To be completely honest, I actually haven't had my Instagram profile for a very long time. I recently joined, so I do not have many followers here. But if I have a look at my profile here, okay, if I go here, you can see I have only 149 followers and 356 I'm following, and this is without doing anything, any promotion at all. Okay, I'm not working at it at all. The reason why there is more followers is because I know a tactic that a lot of people uses. They come here, they hit the follow, I hit the follow back, and then they unfollow, of course. Okay, so that is the reason why. But as I said, I'm not working on it at all, and this is totally free traffic. Anyway, to get to the point here, you can see here that I'm promoting my YouTube videos. These are my thumbnails. I do need to tweak them a little bit because the size is different than YouTube thumbnails. But when someone clicks here, for example, you can see here, watch this quick reminder video of the importance of having fun as an online marketer, etc. Link is in the bio, okay, because I can't add link here. And then I have my hashtags, of course. So what people will do is they will actually go to the bio, and this is how my bio looks like. And you see here, check out my links. So you go here to Linktree at an Insta, and this is how it looks. Boom, look at this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 links right now. So here is the trick how you can have your multiple offers. Okay, now you can see here that the first link is actually the importance of having fun, and if I click that, it will open in a new tab the video that I recorded here yesterday. Okay, the next thing that you can add, actually I have 2 or 3 more videos here, 3 success habits. These go to my IM Tips YouTube channel. This goes to visit my website, so you will arrive to myimtips.com and so on. Okay, so you can have how many links that you want here actually, but I think if you have like 5 or 6, now I have 8 right now, okay, because I have 3 YouTube channels, my website, and I have also 3-4 videos here. So I will show you actually how you can get this for free. It's called Linktree, and this is how it looks when you arrive at the site. It's linktr.ee, or you can just type Linktree in Google and you will probably see the link to it. So you sign up with your Instagram account here, really simple and straightforward, nothing weird really. So the pricing, as I said, it's totally free to sign up for. Now, if you're a pro and you work more actively with Instagram, this could be an option for you also to sign up for. For $6 you will actually get so much more here, okay? You get more Linktree themes, you can remove the logo, you can capture your visitor's email address with the email newsletter sign up integration, and you can see here that there is tons of options. But this is perfect to get started with. Actually, I do have the free version for now, so I think it's a good way. And this is how it looks when you sign in. So you can see here my links. If we have a look at them here, these are probably for the pro version, that you can add a thumbnail, you can have a priority link. This is the schedule. You can actually decide for the schedule. Unfortunately, these are all pro features. Here are the analytics. 2 times because I just recently uploaded the video, so it's pretty normal. And you can delete it, okay? And you can, of course, turn it on and off if you want it to be shown off. So if I hit this off, you can see here that it just disappeared. If I turn this on, it's go here. And you can move these up and down wherever you want actually, so you can change the link. So if I change it here, look at this, you see it will change here. So, but I want this because this is the latest video. It's super easy. You just type in the title, the URL, and you're ready to go with it. So really very, very easy way to do this. And this is where you can insert your multiple offers, okay? So how you work is that let's go back here to you do your picture with some text on, and you will say that the link is in the bio. And of course, if you have 2 or 3 offers that you want to promote simultaneously, or if you want to do the combination of branding, if you have a blog or something, and of course if you have some offer, you can do that combination too. Or if you want to do it to a YouTube video, as I do, of course here. You see, for not almost, but for a few videos that I want to do some emphasis on and want to drive some traffic, I'm actually doing it here, okay? So this is my personal profile, also keep that in mind. It's not a business page of any kind. So you see I post different things here. I upload live videos. This is where it was snowing and so on. So keep that in mind. And as I said, I don't do any effort at all here actually, and I still gain a lot of traffic. So Linktree, just go there and sign up for free. Get started with this. It's a perfect way actually to get multiple offers or having multiple links in there. Alright, if you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. There is a link in the description if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online. You click on that link if you're interested in that. You find an end screen here, so don't leave yet, with 2 channel recommendations. Both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing tips and much more. So I highly suggest you to subscribe to both, and of course hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another video recommendation there. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.